This question was asked in IIT entrance exam in 2011. Check the differentiability and continuity at a different point. We explained with the shortcut method. So first we check continuity. So take a point, 3 different points at x equals to minus pi by 2 at 0 and 1. When x is equals to minus pi by 2, 0 and 1. Here write as LHL and RHL. We direct put the limit in a left hand function and right hand function. How to select a left hand function? When x is less than minus pi by 2, this one is a left hand function, as take as a left hand function. When we put x tends to minus pi by 2, so the value of the function become 0. In the case of RHL, take a function as a minus of cos of x. Put minus cos of x, that value is also 0 because cos pi by 2 is 0. When x tends to 0, then take a function as LHL is minus cos of x. So cos 0 is because sign minus sign is here, so become minus of 1. In the RHL, take a function x minus 1. When put x equals to 0, the value of the function is minus 1. When x tends to 1, then take a function as x minus 1, so the value of the function become 0. And in the RHL, take a function of a log of x, so the value of a log of 1 is 0. So the function is continuous at when x tends to minus pi by 2 because LHL equals to RHL. And when x tends to 0, then function is also continuous because LHL equals to RHL. And when x tends to 1, then LHL equals to RHL, then function is continuous. Now check the options. Fx is continuous at x equals to minus pi by 2. So first option is correct. Now, other 3 options have a differentiable. So first we check the differentiability. Find the RHD, LHD, first LHD and RHD at minus 1 by 2, 0 and 1. How to find the left hand derivative? First we differentiate the function. Minus x minus pi by 2 differentiation is minus 1. Minus of cos x is differentiation is sine of x. And x minus 1 differentiation is 1. And log of x differentiation is 1 by x. When x tends to minus pi by 2, then take a function in LHD is minus 1. The value is minus 1. In the case of RHD, take a function as a sine of x. The value of a sine of minus pi by 2 is minus 1. When at x equals to 0, LHD, in the case of LHD, take a function as a sine of x. Sine of 0 is 0. In the case of RHD, take a function as 1. So the value of the function is 1. When x is equals to 1, then LHD is 1. And RHD's function is 1 by x. Put up the value of x equals to 1. So they become 1. When x is equals to minus pi by 2, then LHD equals to RHD. So function is differentiable at a minus pi by 2. When x is equals to 0, then LHD is not equal to RHD. So the function is not differentiable at x equals to 0. When x is equals to 1, then LHD equals to RHD. The function is differentiable at x equals to 1. Now check the option. Fx is not differentiable at x equals to 0. Yes. So this one is correct. Fx is differentiable at x equals to 1. Yes. Differentiable at x equals to 1. Correct. Fx is differentiable at x equals to minus 3 by 2. Whole function is differentiable in all negative point and all positive point except 0. So the function is also differentiable at x is equals to minus 3 by 2. So fourth option is also correct.